Here's how to make YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT. All you have to do is pretty much put it in a prompt such as this. A prompt like this: create a vibrant and eye-catching YouTube thumbnail titled How to Make YouTube Thumbnails with ChatGPT. Feature the person with a surprised expression pointing at ChatGPT logo at the bottom. Add bold, playful text like picture prompt done. Use bright colors, dynamic poses to ensure the design is bold and contrast and well to grab attention. And then we're going to use the tools. We're going to create that image. And then after that, we're going to put a reference photo of myself. By hitting here, we're going to hit upload from computer. After I have uploaded from the computer, we have this here. And then we go in and then we wait for a bit and then we see what we get. And then just like that, we have an image. So this is how it came out to look like. All right, so we had the first one. It made it like this. Some of the stuff was cut out, but all I had to do was make a new prompt just to fix it up. Make sure the image is in a YouTube aspect ratio and fit in all the words in image without it being cut off. And then we got how to make YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT, picture prompt done, and then download.